Getting tired of disgusting abdominal fats? Why suffer when there's a sure solution? Prick up your ears and listen to what I've got for you, and after this video, I'll give you the site that can surely help you out with those stomach fat problems, plus you'll enjoy a discount that you shouldn't miss. When I first followed this program about achieving a wonderful flat abs, I thought this is just solely about abs. Surprisingly, it's not. It's actually a program that is for overall fat loss. Who would not like that? I did not just learn a lot, but I also realized that some of the things I used to know as a fact were actually just myths. So this program was also an eye-opener for me, which I am very thankful about until this day. The program also gave me several very unlikely but really effective techniques, which all helped me to get through all the process I have to do, and mark my word, it's not just like any other technique that we usually hear from people. If flatter abs is what you're up to, then you definitely must also know about these things that I learned. The program represented not just various ab exercises, but also delicious diets that I can easily follow so that I didn't have to get conscious and count every calories I've taken all the time. For following this program, I learned an extreme solid approach for taking those disgusting fats off my stomach so that I can show the world those sexy abs underneath. This program is not too good to be true. There are actually thousands more overwhelming testimonials and reviews out there, and all those will surely point you to the same program I'm in. I believe that you deserve to know about this more, so visit tinyurl.com/7brs2ev, or simply click on the link you see below and enjoy a lot more bonuses and discounts for this program that I'm telling you.